this is Grace and welcome to my channel. So it's been a while since I've done a haul video, but I thought I'd share with you some of the things that I got at Amazon. I think it was at the end of last year, I decided I was going to go buy a camcorder in Amazon. Unfortunately, that didn't quite work for me, so I had to return it. And since the return policy, like it'd be faster for Amazon if you just get an Amazon credit instead of it being refunded to your account. So I just decided to keep it there. And so in January, I was kind of looking through what are some of the things that I need in my scrapbook room. And so I decided to grab a few things. So I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got to hopefully, I don't know, not inspire you to buy, but like give you some ideas of what you can get at Amazon. And I was specifically, actually, I found this really cool video, and I will try to, if I find it again, I will link it in the description box below. But this lady shared her generic things that she purchases at Amazon that's crafting related. So when I saw her video, I was like, you know what, maybe there are some of the things that I need or maybe are on my wish list that have generic brands in Amazon that I could use. So let's just go dive right into it. So the first thing that I wanted to purchase was these blending brushes, and this is actually a makeup brush. This is, again, I'm going to make sure that I'll try to link all of these in the Amazon so you don't have to like write down the barcode or whatever, but it's called Ink Blending Brush. And I think this one was like $8 or $9. And I know that Tailored Expressions sell these for more than that. And this is actually, according to my daughter, it's actually a makeup brush, but this specific one could be used for crafting. And so I'm seeing if I could, if it works. I've never used it. I do like my Distress Ink blender, these ones right here, but I feel like maybe this one will work better for certain projects, especially if I'm using stencils. So we'll see. So I got that one. And then this is kind of like half crafting, half for my makeup. I have been kind of getting frustrated because every time I every time I clean my makeup brushes, I'm just kind of using a DIY. And so I figured I'd buy like an actual makeup brush shampoo cleaner and then also this pad. So this one will work for both my makeup brushes and also for this. I believe this one was like $6 and this one was $5. So it's a nice size. It's 6 fluid ounces. So I hope that that will work for me. The next one I got was a jewel picker. Now this one was kind of one of those things where I felt I just needed like a certain, like less than $5 to use up all of the credit that I had. And I knew that I've seen this before, people use the jewel picker, and I think there's even some that are more expensive. This one came out to I think like $5 or something, but I do know that especially when I don't have long nails, I get really frustrated when I'm picking sequins up. So I'm hoping that this one will work. It's from Marvi Uchida. And then this one is a set of dies. Now, if you know me, you know that I love using dies. And I've kind of been into nesting dies. Now these ones, I'm guessing these ones are made from China. They're they're non-brand name dies, but I do look at the reviews and people have said that they've liked this and it was good. So this one are stitch die. Now I have the rectangle already, but what I really wanted was the star and the hexagon because I don't have them, and these are all stitched. So I'm going to see how they work, and again, they're all linked in the description box below. And so I am excited about this. And this one I think came out to, for all 4 dies, I think it came out to like $13, $14 or something like that. And then again, in the video that I watched, this was the one that actually kind of got my eye when she was showing all of her generic Amazon finds, was this Nikapa cutting mat. And one of the things that the lady said was, if you're looking for something, just say generic silhouette mat. And so that's what I did, generic silhouette mat, and this is what came up. If you've seen me before, you know that I use Cricut mats for my silhouette just because it is cheaper. You can get two for, I believe it's like $12, versus if you buy the actual silhouette mat brand, it's like $17 for two. And this one was actually $10 for, how many does it have? I think it comes with two. Oh no, actually it comes with three mats. So there's 3 mats in there, so I'm super excited, and hopefully this will last me a good while. I'm sorry if you're seeing glare. I knew that that will happen because these are all still in packages, but I wanted to share them with you before I get, you know, using them. And then the last one I have, and this is a little big, this one is called a Vantage Cutting Mat. It's 24 by 18. So 24 inches by 18, it's pretty big. And the reason why I got this was because I was kind of getting tired of the kind of grungy wood, well actually fake wood that you see in the background. And also this might help me when, you know, I'm lining up things, and it's big enough that, because it's 24 inches wide, so I can put a double page layout here and it will work really well for me. So I'm excited to use this. My surface actually can't quite fit it, so I'm probably gonna have to tuck it into some of these things that are already on my table, but I'm so excited to use this. And so those are my Amazon finds that I've had recently, and let me know if you guys like these videos. I don't do a lot of haul videos just because I don't buy a lot of things. I feel like I have a lot of things already on hand. I have been scrapbooking for nearly 17 years, so I have accumulated a lot of stuff, but I do like generic things, or like basic things that I know that I can use over and over again, like the brushes. These are basically my tools that I'm using. So I love purchasing these kinds of things that would make my scrapbooking more efficient. And just a bonus, I do shop at Goodwill. That's like my husband and my favorite store. And so while I was at Goodwill a few days ago, I scored some cardstock and some vellum. So this one is Coordinations, and it's just white with some texture. And it says here $2, but I actually paid 99 cents for it at my Goodwill. And then this one is Translucent, which is vellum, of course. And again, it's Coordinations, and it was 99 cents. So I bought these two papers for $2. So now I have white and vellum stock up, and then all of these items. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.